Boy, today I'm unboxing I got so happy I got this. I'm unboxing the Jordan Prime Flight $125 shoe. So let me tell you what the box looked like. It got the Jordan it got his little print. I don't think you can see that. Let's see. See his little print right there. They got a Jordan right here. Then it says Supreme. Got that on there, and it got all that. Make sure I didn't miss anything. Nah, not really. So okay, so unboxing the flights. So it just says flights and blah blah blah. Unboxing them. So this is what the biome looks like with the Jordan sign. It says Zoom on the back. Another Jordan sign. It got the Jordan sign on the shoe. Inside, it got camo on it. So it looked like the straps, the Jordan sign. This is a good shoe. Inside thing, they got that in there. It got a Jordan sign inside. You might not be able to see it because unboxing it, the camo. Alright. Hey, this is about to end the video. Just unboxing some new hoops. If you wonder what those are just sandals. Regular Nike sandals. But I'm just unboxing the Jordan Prime Flights. Take you another look at these shoes. Alright. Peace out. Bye.